everyone, welcome back to Maths for Kids. My name is Jocelyn. Sometimes, when you get a word problem, people are confused on how you can solve it. In every word problem, there is a clue which tells you which operation you should use. In this video, I will be showing you tricks on how to find clues to help you solve word problems. Here are some addition keywords: add, more than, plus, altogether, total, increase, sum, how many, in all, combined, both, together, and joined. Here we have a question. Scooby and Shaggy had Scooby snacks. Scooby had 15 Scooby snacks and Shaggy had 6 Scooby snacks. How many did they have altogether? We need to find the clue in this question. Then we can find out what operation we will have to do to solve this question. Is it multiplication, division, addition, or subtraction? The clue that we have found is altogether. Do you remember in the list that we had written altogether? That means it is a clue that tells us we have to add 15 with 6. We have highlighted altogether in the addition keywords list. We have written out 15 add 6. 15 add 6 gives us 21. That means Scooby and Shaggy had 21 Scooby snacks altogether. Here are some subtraction keywords: subtract, difference, leftover, fewer, remainder, how much more, minus, how many more, decrease, take away, left, less than. Here is a question. Shaggy has 12 burgers. Scooby ate 7 burgers. How many burgers left over? We need to find the clue in this question to know what operation we are going to do. Will it be multiplication, division, addition, or subtraction? We have found the clue. There is leftover in the question. That means we have to use subtraction for this. Here it is written down in the subtraction keywords. We need to do 12 take away 7 to find the answer for this question. 12 take away 7 gives us 5. That means there were 5 burgers left over. Thank you for watching. I hope you now understand how to find clues in word problems. See you soon for my next video. Please like and subscribe. Carry on practicing. Bye!